Hello dear friends, welcome back. So today in this video we are going to solve this question. If a is equal to 1 upon 2 minus root 3 and b is equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3, then find the value of 1 upon a plus 1 upon b plus 1. Now let us begin the solution. Here in the given question, the value of a is 1 upon 2 minus root 3 and that of b is 1 upon 2 plus root 3. And now by using them, we have to find the value of this expression 1 upon a plus 1 plus 1 upon b plus 1. And to find the value of this expression, here we have to find the value of a plus 1 first and b plus 1. Then after putting the values of a plus 1 and b plus 1, we can find the value of this expression. Now let us start from here. Now we have a is equal to 1 upon 2 minus root 3. 1 upon 2 minus root 3. This is the value of a given by the question. Now from this we can calculate the value of a plus 1, and to calculate the value of a plus 1 we can add 1 on both sides of this equation. So the left hand side becomes a plus 1 and the right hand side becomes 1 upon 2 minus root 3 plus 1. Here there is 1 below this 1 because 1 upon 1 is 1, and to add them we have to calculate the LCM of 2 minus root 3 and 1, and the LCM is 2 minus root 3. Now when we divide 2 minus root 3 with this 2 minus root 3, the quotient is 1. We have to multiply 1 with 1 and it is 1, plus when we divide this with 1, the quotient is 2 minus root 3, and 2 minus root 3 into 1 is 2 minus root 3. Now in the next line we can write a plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 2 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. Now we can add 2 and 1, so it is 3, and minus root 3 is also there, and in the denominator there is 2 minus root 3. And this gives a plus 1 is equal to 3 minus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. And a plus 1 is equal to a plus 1 upon a. We can find the reciprocal of the left hand side, and this is 1 upon a plus 1, and this is equal to 2 minus root 3, 2 minus root 3 upon 3 minus root 3. Here we have written the reciprocal of right hand side also. Similarly, we have to calculate the value of 1 upon b plus 1 in the same way. So b is given, b is equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3. Now b plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2 plus root 3. We are adding 1 on both sides, so the right hand side becomes 1 upon 2 plus root 3 plus 1. And below this one there is another 1 because 1 upon 1 is 1. We have to calculate the LCM of these two numbers, 2 plus root 3 and 1, and the LCM is 2 plus root 3. And when we divide this LCM with this 2 plus root 3, the quotient is 1, and 1 into 1 is 1. Plus when we divide this with 1, the quotient is 2 plus root 3, and 2 plus root 3 into 1 is 2 plus root 3. So in the next line it becomes 2 plus 1 is 3 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. 3 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. That is the value of b plus 1. So we have got b plus 1 is equal to 3 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3. Now to calculate the value of 1 upon b plus 1, we have to write the reciprocals of both sides, and it becomes 1 upon b plus 1 is equal to 2 plus root 3 upon 2 plus root 3 upon 3 plus root 3. Now finally we have got the values of 1 upon a plus 1 and 1 upon b plus 1. Now the values of 1 upon a plus 1 and 1 upon b plus 1 are 1 upon a plus 1 is equal to 2 minus root 3 upon 3 minus root 3, and that of 1 upon b plus 1 is equal to 2 plus root 3 upon 3 plus root 3. Now let us calculate the value of the expression 1 upon a plus 1, 1 upon b plus 1. Now let us put the values of 1 upon a plus 1 and 1 upon b plus 1, which are 2 minus root 3 upon 3 minus root 3 and 2 plus root 3 upon 3 plus root 3. The value of 1 upon b plus 1 is 2 plus root 3 upon 3 plus root 3. Now we have to add these two fractions. To add them, we have to calculate the LCM of their denominators, which are 3 minus root 3 and 3 plus root 3. So their LCM is their product, 3 minus root 3 into 3 plus root 3. Now when we divide this LCM with this 3 minus root 3, the quotient is 3 plus root 3, and we have to calculate 3 plus root 3 with this 2 minus root 3. So it is 3 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, plus similarly for the second number, when we divide this LCM with this number, the quotient is 3 minus root 3. Now we have to multiply 3 minus root 3 with this 2 plus root 3, so it is equal to 3 minus root 3 into 2 plus root 3. And now we can continue here. The left hand side is 1 upon a plus 1 plus 1 upon b plus 1, and this is equal to, we have to multiply these two numbers, 3 into 2 minus root 3, 3 into 2 minus root 3 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3, root 3 into 2 minus root 3. Similarly for second number, 3 into 2 plus root 3, 3 into 2 plus root 3 minus 3 into 2 plus root 3, minus 3 into 2 plus root 3. Here we are following distributive law, and in the denominator we have to write the product of these two numbers. And to calculate the product of these two numbers, we can use one formula, that is x minus y into x plus y. X minus y into x plus y is equal to x square minus y square. So 3 minus root 3 into 3 plus root 3 is equal to 3 square minus root 3 square, and this is equal to 3 square is equal to 9, minus root 3 square is 3, so 9 minus 3 is 6. So the value of this denominator is 6. And now we can open bracket in the next line, 3 to the 6, plus into minus minus, 3 into root 3, plus into plus plus, root 3 into 2 is 2 root 3, plus into minus minus, root 3 into root 3 is 3, plus into plus 3 to the 6, plus into plus 3 into root 3, 3 root 3, minus into plus minus, 2 into root 3 is 2 root 3, minus into plus minus, root 3 into root 3 is 3, and in the denominator there is 6. Now we can see there are plus 2 root 3 and minus 2 root 3. These two numbers are cancelled. Similarly, minus 3 root 3 and plus 3 root 3 are also cancelled. Now we have to add this 6 and this 6, and the sum is 12. And we have to add minus 3 and minus 3, and their sum is minus 6. And in the denominator there is 6. And 12 minus 6 is 6. Upon 6 is there in the denominator. We can cancel 6 with 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6, and the value is 1. Therefore, finally we have calculated the value of 1 upon a plus 1 plus 1 upon b plus 1, and the value of this expression is equal to 1. So this is the answer. So guys, this much for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to like, share, comment, and also to follow my page. And don't forget to drop your valuable comments in the comment section. Bye bye. Take care.